Hi boys and girls, welcome back to the second part of our multiplication lesson. So yesterday we looked at multiplying whole numbers. So we were 20 times by 3, 40 times by 5, and it was quite easy because we just took away our naught, treated it like a normal times table, like 4 times 5, and then for the answer we clicked our naught back and we turned it into our bigger number. So now for today we're going to look at what happens when the number is a mixed number. So if you look at Emily here, Emily's got 21 times by 3. Now the first thing Emily needs to do is use her helping hand, her brackets, boys and girls, and she's going to break up 21 for me. Emily, what does 21 broken up mean?
20
plus
1.
Now close your brackets. Okay, and then you still do a times by 3.
Do it just for times.
Yes. Okay, and now put a 3. So now, boys and girls, she's going to break this up and she's going to go, firstly, she's going to write there 20 times by 3. So do 20 M's times by 3. Okay, now draw a little arrow to say is. Okay, now remember what I said about magic clicking your naught away? Click, and then you're going to go 2 times 3 is 6. And now magic click your naught back. Now put it at the end. So now he's 60. So she's now done her tens, boys and girls, and now she's going to go on to her units. So go 1 times 3 gives you, put a side arrow. And what does 1 times 3 equal, M's?
3.
Good. Okay, and now her third step, boys and girls, so she's multiplied her tens, she's multiplied her units. Now her last step, she's going to add her two answers together. So she will go 60 plus 3 equals
63.
Equals 63.
It's
So
a
boys and girls, all she did was break up her number into a 20 plus a 1, and then she times it, because it's so much easier to times a 10 and to times a unit than doing it together at the same time. So now if we look at Riley, say hi Riley.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, Riley P, what are you going to do? How do you break up your 32?
30 plus 2.
30 plus 2. And then close your brackets. Good. Times by 4. Now your first step, you're going to go your tens, so 30, good. Times by, what are we timesing by? 4 gives you, now use your magic clicker. Good, okay. So you've got 3 times 4 equals 12, and now magic click your naught back, and now it's 120. Now you do your units. 2 times 4 gives you 8. Well done. And now your last step, add both answers together. 120 plus 8 equals 128. So boys, as you can see, boys and girls, when you break up a number, remember when we did it with addition, when we added our tens, added our units, added both answers together, it just makes it easier than figuring out one number as it is. So as we've done with multiplication, now we've broken up the number. So instead of saying 32, you're saying 30 plus 2. And you're timesing the tens, and then you're timesing the units and adding both answers together. So it really, the more you practice, the easier it will become just to remember the steps. And yeah, so on the next slide, boys and girls, there's a couple to practice. And then in tomorrow's, I've put some more sums in tomorrow's revision just to keep you going. If you've got any problems, let me know. But just work with your steps, boys and girls. Break up your number, and it will be perfect. Jamie, say hi.
Hello.
Have a good day, boys and girls. Bye.